Welcome to this tutorial video on how to use order types on PersonalFinanceLab. Order types help you specify at what price your orders can be executed. Becoming familiar with all the order types this site offers will make it easier and hopefully more profitable for you to manage your portfolio. Using limit and stop orders allow you to place trades that execute when certain price targets are met. That way, you don't need to be sitting in front of your computer monitoring your stock prices all day long. With a limit buy order, you set the price you're willing to pay for a stock, and your order will only execute when the market price reaches that price or lower. For example, if you think stock ABC is too expensive at $50 and you only want to pay $49 for it, you can place a limit buy order at $49. If the ABC stock price falls to $49 or lower, your order will automatically buy the stock at that price or less. To use a limit buy order, first, go to the stock trading page. Enter the symbol you want to purchase and the quantity you want to buy. Next, change your order type to a limit order. Enter the maximum price you are willing to pay for the stock. Generally, the price should be near or below the current market price. Currently, the last price for Nike is $84.05. So for this example, I'll put the limit order at $83. That way, if the stock price drops to $83 today, my order will execute. Click Preview to update the estimated cost to reflect my target price, and click Confirm to place the order. When you think a stock has almost reached its peak, you can use a limit sell order to sell it as soon as the market price rises up to your price target, thus locking in your gains, giving you control over the price you receive and helping you manage risk. To do this, set your limit price at your price target and fill out the rest of the order as we covered in the previous example. The key difference between a limit order and a stop order is how they are executed. A stop order will not guarantee the price you will receive like a limit order would. A stop order is executed as soon as the price moves above a certain level, then it becomes a market order. The other main difference is stop buy orders are typically placed above the market price, whereas limit buy orders are placed below the market price. You typically place a stop buy order when you're expecting a stock to break out of its current trading range and continue higher. For a stop buy order, you want to buy a stock as soon as the price starts to go up because you don't want to miss out on the stock's increase in price. This means you put your stop price above the current market price. Nothing will happen until the market price hits your stop buy price. When it does, your order will immediately execute as a market order, so you don't miss out on any future gains. A stop sell order is also known as a stop loss order. This means you want to sell a stock as soon as the price starts to fall below a certain point. You'll put your stop price below the current market price. This is a great way to protect your portfolio from a sudden or unexpected drop in price. For every stock you hold in your virtual portfolio, it's a good idea to set a stop loss order. Follow the same steps we've shown you for the other order types, and set the price to limit your potential loss, but not too close to the current market price, or you may close your position too soon. For example, if you paid $100 per share on a fast-growing company, you could set a stop loss order at $90 to make sure you don't lose 10% or more on this stock. Also, if you bought another stock at $50 and it is now at $70, you could place a stop loss at $65 to lock in at least $15 in profit. This way you have a buffer against unexpected price drops, but you won't accidentally close your position due to daily price fluctuations. A trailing stop order is a kind of stop loss order that combines the profit maximization of a limit order along with the risk aversion of a stop order. A trailing stop order is set at a percentage or a fixed dollar amount below the current market price of the stock. As the stock price rises, the stop price also rises by the same percentage or amount. This means that the stop price will always be a certain distance behind the current market price, hence the term trailing. For example, you're holding a stock with a market price of $50. You set a trailing stop order of 10%. This means that when the price falls by 10% or drops to $45, the stop order will be triggered. However, if the market price increases to $55 instead, then the new stop price also moves up to $49.50. By using a trailing stop order, as long as the market price moves in your favor, your stop price will keep adjusting. Therefore, protecting your profits while automatically adjusting to the changing market price. There are 3 types of order terms: good for day, good till cancel, and good till date. Good for day means that this order will stay open until the end of the current trading day. Good till cancel means that this order will stay open until either you cancel it or the conditions of the order are met. So if you're using a trailing stop order that you want to keep open for a long time, you'll want to use this option. Good till date means that you choose when this order will expire. So if this date comes and goes and your order hasn't filled, then your order will cancel. You can use any of the different order terms with any of the different order types, except for market orders. Market orders will always expire at the end of the day. If you have any questions, click Contact Us to speak to a member of our team. Our help desk is open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Outside of those hours, you can create a ticket that will receive updates directly to your messaging center on Personal Finance Lab. Thanks for watching.